So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the apartment tour. If you want to see what my apartment looks like, please keep on watching.
So this is my bedroom. I don't have a lot of furniture yet. Unfurnished apartment tour. Came with a bed. This thing for storage I brought from New York. The dog didn't come with the apartment, but we love her so much we brought her with us. Who's a good girl? Okay, and on to my closet. Guys, so sorry for the mess. I moved here not even a month ago, but I'm loving it so far. We're gonna work on a system to get this closet organized. This is not all my shoes, but it is the bulk of them. And then I have my work uniforms and my favorite hat. Bury me in makeup. You can find it on her website. In my closet, you walk onto my linen closet, and I just have my accessories packed up here. I have my makeup. Still gotta pack with my lip glosses and lipsticks, and more lipsticks go in there. Yeah, and then pants, my BoxyCharm boxes, some open face mask, some unopened skincare. These bins are from Amazon. Moving on to my vanity. Could not live without one of these. So everything here is going to be skincare, everyday makeup. I have my dirty brushes in here. And then everything for hygiene is going to be in here, including a little mirror. And I got this basket from Bed Bath & Beyond. And that is Dior.
Christian Dior, Dior.
Dior. I have a medicine cabinet here. And then I have just some storage under there that's messy, and a towel to dry your hands with, and it's help hiding the toilet paper and the laundry stuff. And then onto there we go into my bathroom. So pretty basic. I have some black soap, some Palo Santo, some Bath and Body Works body cream, my towel. I have my New Shea Moisture body wash that I'm loving. I keep my black soap in this. And then these are the products that I'm currently using, guys. So yeah. Something I love about this bathroom is that we can close. This is the bathroom door. This is the door to the living room, which I'm going to be showing you guys next. And then this is the bedroom door. Be right back, mama. We can literally close all three doors and boom, like they're white, light bounces off of them. Can't wait to redo this area. If you guys want to see a video on that, please let me know. Had to let her back out. And then she's gonna show us the living room, right, Jessica? So we have our shoes here. I have my hiking shoes, running shoes, work shoes. We have my dog and her sock. So we have this catch-all table where we come, we empty our pockets. This is my stuff, change bucket, our salt lamp, which is from Amazon. And then my dog likes to hide and borrow, so I built her a bunch of little areas. So this is one of her corners where she can just hide and borrow and stay warm. We have this closet that's packed with boxes and winter coats. Gotta get some bar stools for here. We have my living room. And I love how high the ceilings are. Couch is from Amazon. This is part of the couch, but I'm using it at my desk right now just because it's super comfy to edit. And of course the desk is from IKEA. It's the Alex straws with the Lindemann top. We have our Calyx unit right here. I have my beautiful, beautiful Buddhas. I just like feel connected to whenever I'm shopping out and I see one, I just grab it. I have one of my favorite books. It's on Greek mythology. We have our soundbar, our TV, which I rarely use. And then this is Jessica's bathroom and feeding area. She's potty trained. Here's the kitchen. So we have a book, we have knife set, pretty basic stuff. Our cabinets, our stove, regular refrigerator, no ice maker, but it's fine, we make it work. I'm gonna put on some light for you guys. We have my spice rack, gotta keep it spicy. My Keurig, and then just some avocado oil. We have most of our utensils here. The rest of them are sitting in dishwasher. I just finished doing dishes. And yeah, that's it. That's our ugly garbage bin. That concludes the apartment tour. If you guys want to see a furnished apartment tour, please let me know. Or if you prefer a series of like where I decorate, DIY, organize, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. I'll have all my links down below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.